That sound is the sound of a wasted Saturday. What if you could take that entire chore and delete it? What if a quiet, efficient robot could handle your lawn every single day, while you sip coffee or even while you're on vacation? It's not science fiction. It's 2025's reality. But with so many models, choosing the wrong one could leave you with a lazy robot and a messy yard. We tested the top contenders to find the absolute best. The results will shock you. Number 1. Segway Navimow i110N. Equipped with EFLS 2.0, Navimow features customized RTK positioning technology enhanced with vision sensors, delivering stable, centimeter-level navigation accuracy. It handles a wide variety of lawn layouts, including areas beneath trees or narrow passages, ensuring reliable operation even in challenging environments. No perimeter wires and automatic AI-assisted mapping. Quick, wire-free setup in just a few taps. Simply use your smartphone to guide Navimow and map out virtual boundaries around your lawn. Furthermore, with the revolutionary AI-powered assist mapping feature, Navimow identifies the clear edges of your lawn during mapping and automatically navigates and maps the entire working area, making setup easier than ever. Efficient, flawless lawn maintenance. Navimow mows your lawn with planned mowing patterns to ensure systematic and efficient grass cutting, changes mowing direction after 100% coverage to minimize tracks on the lawn, intelligently recharges, and keeps mowing until the job is done, so your lawn always looks fresh. Number 2. Sunseeker X3 Plus Robot. Looking to keep your lawn in perfect condition? The Sunseeker X3 Plus shaves grass to 1.6 inches for a low, clean cut. Of course, you can raise the blade as well, but the lower cutting option is effective and leaves shorter grass than many other models. With a 0.3 acre range and up to 6 cutting zones, it's super easy to custom program the settings. We used this mower for nearly a month on a tricky property with one big front yard, another small strip of grass in the front, and a backyard with a hot tub and garden area to avoid. We ended up creating several mow zones with passageways to travel between each zone. The intelligence on this mower is really impressive. Using the app, we were able to create precise mow zones that require no wires. Setup took roughly 1 hour, and we especially appreciate the easy-to-follow in-app instructions. The only challenge involved finding a place for the satellite receiver. The rod has a generous length, and the cord is extra long, but it does require stakes to really secure the rod. A roof mount option would be really nice. Number 3. Husqvarna Automower 115H4G. Husqvarna Automower 115H4G Robotic Lawn Mower with patented guidance system, self-installation and ultra-quiet smart mowing technology, 0.4 acre. Easy control from smartphone. Husqvarna's smart technology lets you control scheduling, adjust settings, and start and stop your automatic lawn mower from your smartphone. Reliable wired solution. Physical wire offers strong performance regardless of your lawn layout. The wire provides a clear and consistent signal, helping the mower navigate through shaded areas with significant tree coverage and any other challenging zones. DIY installation. Set up your Husqvarna robot mower with the self-installation kit included. Place the charging station, bury or lay the boundary wire around the perimeter of your yard, install the guide wire, choose your settings, and start mowing. Theft protection. To reduce the risk of theft, the automatic mower is equipped with a built-in alarm system that will sound if it is lifted and is only deactivated with your unique PIN code. All lawns and weather. The compact robotic mower is weatherproof and can navigate narrow passages, objects, and 30% / 17-degree slopes with a cut width of 8.7 inches and an. Number 4. Anthbot Genie 3000 Robot Lawn Mower. The Anthbot Genie 3000 Robot Lawn Mower impressed us right out of the box with its straightforward setup and polished app experience. Pairing the mower with the app was seamless, and creating a custom mowing map by manually guiding it around the lawn perimeter felt intuitive and quick. We appreciated how easy it was to divide the yard into sections, allowing more precise control over how and when each area was mowed. Performance-wise, the Genie 3000 exceeded expectations. It tackled thick St. Augustine grass without issue, a rare feat in our experience with robot mowers, which often spin their wheels in frustration. The adjustable mowing height is a smart inclusion, and the mower transitions smoothly between lawn sections with minimal input after initial setup. Our only real gripe lies with the RTK antenna. Its short power cable restricts placement options and could complicate things if you're hoping to hide the dock in a covered spot. A longer cable would solve this, but it's not included. Number 5. Eufy E15 Robot Lawn Mower. We're big Eufy fans. So when the Eufy E15 Robot Lawn Mower arrived for testing, we had high expectations. Setup was refreshingly simple. It's about as close to plug-and-play as robot mowers get. The mower arrived well packaged, and all we had to do was place the base station in a permanent location and plug it into an outlet. That's the only wire involved. Unlike many robot mowers, the E15 doesn't rely on boundary wires or an RTK antenna. Instead, it uses advanced visual navigation to define its mowing zone. The E15 allows height adjustment from 1 to 3 inches, but in our testing, it performed best on grass 2.5 inches or shorter, making it a solid match for low-growing grass, such as buffalo. Once fully charged, about 1.5 hours, we powered on the mower and the Eufy Home app walked us through the setup and let us define the mowing boundaries. Like most robot mowers, the E15 works best on a frequent schedule. Mowing daily or every other day keeps the lawn consistently neat and prevents it from getting overwhelmed. It cut well on our buffalo grass, navigating slopes up to 18 degrees and avoiding obstacles with ease. Still, it struggled to cut thicker, taller fescue. And just like that, your weekends are officially back. The number 1 pick, the mentioned number 1 pick, e.g., Husqvarna Automower, is truly in a league of its own. Your path to a perfectly manicured lawn, without ever lifting a finger, is just one click away. All the links to check the latest prices and buy these robotic mowers are in the description below. If you're ready to reclaim your free time, smash that like button, share this with a neighbor you want to make jealous, and subscribe for more smart home upgrades. The future of lawn care is here. Are you ready to join it?